only a victim becomes a culprit. ये हमें समझना है. We have to come across the inner strength and inner power to literally break down and come out of our own victim mentality. ये बात समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. We can resort to various kind of tarot readings. We can do a lot of bhakti, sadhak, mantra, healing, this, that, the new phases of spirituality. Do whatever works for you. But the core essence is to understand one very big thing, which is victim mindset से आप healing में एक ही हद तक पहुंच सकते हो. And there are no shortcuts to it. जब तक belief system में ये है that I was a victim of something और मेरे साथ ये हुआ है, तब तक आप highest level of yourself पे नहीं पहुंच पाओगे. And healing is a tool. Shadow works are the tool. Realization is a tool for us to understand that I was a part of that experience and I did not do anything to change it. As much as this is difficult to understand and as much as it is difficult to accept more so than anything, this also reflects the parts of ourselves that we reject. कि हम खुद को accept ही नहीं कर पा रहे हैं. The parts where we felt helpless and hopeless or inactive और कुछ नहीं कर पाए. That is shame, there is regret, there might be guilt, hope not. But मुद्दा किस बात का है? I'm going to link all of this with one word, destruction. On the path of healing, spirituality, sadhana, tantra, जो बोलना है, bhakti, whatever part, this video is dedicated to those audience and only those audience who actively and seriously want to work on ourselves. Others might scroll further. Destruction. When I use the word destruction, मेरे मन में एक ही नाम आता है, काल भैरव, काली, एक ही है. Why destruction? Because only after a certain level of destruction उसका महत्व समझ में आता है. I'm not going to use all the fancy words कि ये heal होगा. No. Destruction is equal to liberation. क्या डिस्ट्रॉय करना है? डिस्ट्रक्शन का मतलब सिर्फ डेथ और मौत नहीं है. यस, मेटाफोरिक है, बट इन व्हाट सेंस? वी हैव टू destroy our old belief system, or once we destroy our old belief system, we internally, that part of us, that version of us which was active in that victimhood, in that experience, in that belief system also dies along. तो जब भी we listen to the word destructions, destruction is not violence, destruction is not aggression. On the part of self realization, destruction के बिना हम आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाएंगे. Understand? So यहाँ पे एक गाइडेंस क्या आती है? यहाँ पे गाइडेंस ये आती है, एंड perhaps I'm channelizing, यहाँ पे बहुत बड़ी ये गाइडेंस आ रही है, that sit with all the darkness that you feel inside yourself. Sit with everything you feel burns you, all the rage, all the revenge, all the avenge, जो भी फीलिंग आ रही है, मेरे साथ ये हुआ, मेरे साथ ये किया, इसने ये किया, मैंने ये होने दिया, शेम है, गिल्ट है, गुस्सा है, जो भी है, ओके, उसके साथ बैठो, वो महसूस करो, and sit with it unless and until it is burnt in the fire of your own soul. Your grit, your energy, it will burn that emotion away and completely destroy it. That is the only way to shadow work. इसको बोलते हैं, this is one of the ways to shadow works. Okay, इसको बोलते हैं destruction when it comes to pattern breaking. The other aspect of a destruction is change your entire lifestyle. Stop doing what does not serve you, even if it is about letting certain people go. More difficult letting a habit go, but उसके ऊपर काम तो करना ही है. Cribbing का, complaining का आदत छोड़ दो. all the habits take a lot of time and only by consistency we can achieve it. इसीलिए साधना में या भक्ति में उपासना होती है, प्रोमिसेस हम जो करते हैं कि मैं इतने दिन के लिए ये करूँगा, इतने दिन के लिए ये करूँगी, हम क्यों करते हैं? ओके, more than pleasing the deity, we do it to break the pattern of our habits, make commitment, and when our subconscious mind understands that we do have the ability of commitment, it receives the messages, okay, we can do this, thus we can change a pattern or change a habit within. Okay, that is why it becomes very easy for sadhakas to be non-reactive, to be nuclear and to be neutral. Okay, क्यों ऐसा करना है? Because when the time comes, you do not become the victim of your bad habits, you do not become the victim of reactions, and you do not become the victim of how you were functioning in your belief system. बहुत सारी बार लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं कि मेरे बोलने का मतलब कुछ और था पर मैं बोलना कुछ और चाहती थी या चाहता था. ये नहीं होना चाहिए. We have to take the accountability of the words we use regardless the intention, right? पर इसके लिए क्या करना पड़ता है? इसके लिए बहुत सारा अंदरूनी शैडो वर्क का काम करना पड़ता है, right? And for the same thing, the most and the utmost important thing, we have to embody our phases and phases of destruction, right? The destruction of inner pattern belief system, the destruction and interruption of routine habit, people that does not serve us. When I say people that does not serve us, it does not mean रिश्ते तोड़ दो, arrogance ला दो, rude हो जाओ, ghost कर दो. You can take the emotional excess from those people even if they are still in your life, right? Third kind of destruction we need for liberation. When I say liberation, किससे liberation चाहिए? जन्म मरण से, वो तो दूर की बात है. खुद से liberate होना है, खुद की pattern से, खुद की darkness से liberate होना है. And when I say liberation from darkness, your darkness is not the villain. While we were becoming, our moms were creating us, we were in the womb and the womb is dark. So we are more the creatures of darkness and we are the light. So हमें liberation darkness aspect में, ये darkness की बात नहीं कर रही हूँ जो अंधेरा हो, जो हमारे shadow paths हो. Darkness of confusion, darkness of clouded thinking, darkness of victim mentality, darkness of low self-esteem, darkness of low self-worth. These are the evils, inner evils I'm talking of. We need to liberate ourselves from that. So here we need the destruction of absolute fakeness, impersonation, okay, embodying others' personality. ये जब भी, और ये आसान नहीं है. It is very easy to say, but it's again easy to feel envious, jealous, comparison mindset. सबसे पहले तो comparative mindset से निकलना है. जब ये भावनाएं जागती है तो क्या करना है? We have to literally tell ourselves that I feel this because I do not trust myself enough. मुझे ही खुद में इतना confidence नहीं है. और इसके लिए you'll have to sit with yourself and only focus on breathing. Here comes the third kind of destruction I'm talking about, the destruction of continuous thinking. It is important to sit with yourself and only focus on your breath. When you do that, 1, 2, 3 दिन में नहीं होगा. You eventually destroy the pattern of thought processes and your breathing becomes flawless, effortless and shunya. It takes time, but consistency is requisite for everything you want to achieve. अगर हमें सोशल मीडिया पे हमारा नाम बनाना है तो हम रील भी कंसिस्टेंटली डालते हैं, वीडियोस भी कंसिस्टेंटली अपलोड करते हैं. तो खुद के लिए कंसिस्टेंट काम करना ज़्यादा हमारे लिए मुश्किल तो नहीं ही होना चाहिए, राइट? Anything we think is tough makes us inconsistent. These are the excuses we make, all right? So if I could do it, I am a neurodivergent. I have ADHD. If I could do it, anyone in the world can do it. If I can sit still, anyone can achieve it. And this video is especially for those who struggle in day-to-day life with extreme mood swings. You need destruction of 3 types, which is said in this video. Destruction from your own belief system, which does not serve you anymore, destruction of habits, and destruction of continuous thought processes. ये एक्टिव लोगों के लिए, विक्टिम मेंटालिटी के लिए, ये हुआ वो हुआ, पास्ट को याद करके ये एक्टिव नहीं रखना है. We are given brains to help create. The brain energy should be used only and only to create something productive, to create something which is artistic, perhaps, to create something which is helpful to others, or perhaps helpful only for yourself, which is helpful in catharsis. All right, so brain needs to be used, thoughts are to be channeled into something creative and productive. All right, follow these steps, and if these works for you, please come back to this video, write in the comments. You can reach me on my email address, which is written in the description, for any kind of coaching, help and therapy. I also do tarot reading, energy channeling and mediumship. Thank you.